Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, this video is related to TCS joining and onboarding updates. So friend, after such a long time, TCS has started sending the TCS joining readiness survey mail update for the batch of 2021 to 23 batch. So let's start this video, and also we will discuss some important big change in joining criteria, and also we will discuss how you can fill the TCS joining survey mail step by step guides, and also how you can check your joining status. So let's start. So first of all, sir, how we can check our joining status? So there is a there is a simple method. You have to just log in with the TCS Next Step portal. Just search on Google TCS Next Step portal, just log in over there and just go to your TCS Next Step application status, and there you will be finding your joining letter generated ILP schedule whatever status. Okay, so let's see. So this kind of mail you are going to receive from the TCS team regarding your TCS joining survey. Okay, so let's zoom it once what they mentioned particularly in this mail. So do not miss TCS joining readiness survey. This mail is come from the TCS.Xplore support at mail.digilum. Okay, so dear candidate, hope you're doing well. This is a survey to know your readiness to join TCS based on below criteria. First criteria: ready to join in any location as per TCS business requirements. So there is no confirmation that if you are filling the TCS to join a Hyderabad location, so it's not going to be happen. They will provide you joining location as per their business requirement. And second, location change is not possible for next 2 years. So if let's suppose TCS is giving you a joining a location in Noida, but you want a joining location in Hyderabad, but they are not going to give you as per your joining location. They will only give you joining as per their business requirements, and they are not going to change joining location for last 2 years. And also most probably they are going to call you office also for working. Okay, and third most important, joining date cannot be rescheduled. So please do not reschedule your joining date, because as I already discussed my previous all this video that TCS is not going to reschedule any candidate's joining date. Okay, and note, survey will expire on March 2, 2023. Follow this link to the service. So this is the link you are getting. Okay, so first of all, whenever you are going to click this link, you are getting this type of screen. First, are you ready to join TCS? Just select yes, and please check once your internet connection working or not, because once you click this particular link, please do not close this link. Whenever you are going to close the link, maybe you are not able to access again this particular survey. Please do not close the link. Once you open the link, just complete all the process. Just select yes and just confirm once again this is a yes selected or not. Please do not select this one. Okay, if you want to join. Second, I agree with joining criteria 1, 2 and 3 as they mentioned. Just select yes. Okay, next, are you ready to with all business document? Just select yes. Okay, next, have you taken 2 doses of vaccination? 2 doses of vaccination is mandatory to join TCS? Yes. Okay, just select yes option. Okay, so this is how you can fill the TCS joining form. So this joining date is for direct TCS joining candidates. Like this mail is received by joining candidates who is going to join TCS directly, not a residual candidates. Okay, and most probably after fill this form, you are expect your joining date within 1 or 2 weeks in the March end, or before March end. You can expect the joining dates from the TCS team also, and also you can check your status for regarding your joining dates, joining letter generated, joining letter accepted, whatever. Okay, so this is the 3 biggest big change in joining criteria. You have to accept it, and please, like for location change and whatever they mentioned, I think I discussed all the points. So if you have more doubt, you can ask in comment section. Okay, I will correct it in a 2nd March. Okay, this is not a 3rd March, just 2nd March. So आप प्लीज पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन हो जाना, वहाँ भी आपको सारे अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे, और भी कुछ डाउट्स कमेंट पूछना। और ये मेल आना चालू हो गया, अगर आपको ये मेल नहीं आया है तो डोंट वरी, वेट करना, क्योंकि अभी कंपनी जो है TCS टीम सेंड करना चालू कर दी। एटलीस्ट कुछ तो कुछ अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं ना आपके पास, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है। ठीक है, तो आप लोग बस वेट करना, आपके पास भी काफी जल्दी ये मेल देखने को आ जाएगा। और अपना मेल को चेक करते रहना, स्पैम फोल्डर को चेक करते रहना, कुछ डाउट्स कमेंट पूछना, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन हो जाना। मिलते हैं वीडियो में, जय हिंद, जय। प्लीज वीडियो को याद रखते हैं, प्लीज आप लाइक जरूर कर देना फ्रेंड।